What's up, beautiful people? Happy Friday. We have game day on tomorrow. Go LSU. Okay, we're gonna do what we do. It's okay. I mean, I'm not gonna get into football, but in this video, I'm gonna show you how simple it is to harvest your basil seeds from your basil stems. Okay, it's so much easier than I thought. Let's get to it, y'all. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 All right, great people. So we will be harvesting my basil. I have two different forms of basil that I'll be harvesting today. We have the Thai basil that we have here, and then I also have some lemon basil over there as well. The regular basil did not make it, but nonetheless, as you know, as basil goes to seed, this is what it looks like, and you'll see a lot of bees and pollinators on them. Oh, even big old bugs on them. And because it's a nice flower and it still has a nice smell, aroma to it. And so what you want to do is just go ahead and take all the, we'll call it buds, off the stem where actually the seeds are contained. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that for a couple of them and then show you preliminarily what to do and then further do it with the other ones. But I was also curious on how to do this because I had so many, as I showed you all in the garden, and I had so many because I didn't know what to do with it from there. I knew seeds were in the pods, but I really wasn't aware of how to remove the seeds or how to extract the seeds from them. And so here we are, ladies and gentlemen. So now that I've taken them off, what you want to do now, really you can break it up. Let me do some separation because the seeds themselves are oh so small. I don't know if you ever planted basil seeds before, but they're so small that it'd be easy to miss them, but at the same time it's what you want. So you want to just get them, crush them up, because you're separating the seed from, I'm gonna call it the pod. And I believe if you're operating with them, you'll understand what I mean by the pod. But even now, while I'm doing this, I'm even seeing the seeds expose themselves and come out, in which, I mean, I'm gonna have so many. And even with all the various seeds that I do have, what I wanna do is for the garden family, those who have joined the garden family on this channel, I wanna send you some seeds. So let me know if you so desire to receive some seeds. I'll send out an email blast as well, but I want to send some seeds to you. So let me know if you want some Thai seeds, which are these, or some lemon basil seeds, and I will be sure to send them over to you. So now that we have the separation as we so desire, we can even see the black specks. The black specks are the seeds that we so desire from the pods. I mean, if there's a better word or a more correct word, let me know in the comment section below. I'm always willing to learn. We're always willing to learn on this channel because not only do we grow together, but we learn together, and you know, we do it all. So I'm just gonna keep breaking it up like that. All right, and from there, you just want to take up the pods, remove the pods from the plates. In this case, you might even be able to use a sifter. I don't know. I didn't think about that until now doing it. This is my actual first time giving it a physical go. I watched a few videos. I read a couple of articles to see what to do, how to do it. But now that I'm actually doing it myself, it's like, oh, okay. Once you do things, you always realize ways in which you can do it better or you can do it differently. And so forth and so on. So here's no different. Hey, I might even try some different ways while I harvest my basil this time, because I actually have so much basil to harvest. Nonetheless, what you are able to see from even the camera's perspective is that we have some seeds on one side and we have some pod, we'll call it podcasting because I don't know any other words to use. On the other side, it's simple to do. It's a little tedious because these seeds are very small, and so all the while trying not to take up the seeds, rolling pin or something. I don't feel like I can break the seed. I feel like there might be a better way to extract the seed than what I just did, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see how to get the seeds. Just like that, great people, we have quite a bit of seeds. Like, let me take myself out of it. Look at that. And this is all Thai basil seed, which I have some lemon basil seed as well that I'm gonna do. And so here we go. I'm so excited about it. Again, if you are a part of the garden club and you want some seeds, definitely let me know. I'll be sure to send it to you. But just like that, it's just as simple, it's just that easy, but it's simple. I don't know how to say that. It's simple in the sense that it doesn't take a lot of steps, but it is time consuming, okay? So make sure that you have some time to be able to do all that you want to do and get it done the way you want to get it done properly. And with that being said, go for it, y'all. Happy growing, happy living. I love you all and I appreciate you all. Shout out to the Humbles family. Again, I can't shout you all enough. Shout out to Mr. Stone as well. Shout out to all the other people that have been commenting. I try to go for them all, but I dare not because I know I'm going to leave somebody else. All right, beautiful people, and just like that, I love you all. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you on the next video. Again, we'll be back again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for the month of September. We hit them back to back. All right, y'all. So until next time, I'll see you. Peace.